Hello and welcome back to my channel Itchy Shoes. In today's video, I'll take you to my awesome 2 days in Oslo, Norway. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe to it and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss out on any of my contents. We traveled to Oslo from Stockholm, Sweden. We took train from Stockholm Central Station. It took us around 6 hours to reach Oslo. The train ticket costed us 51 euros per person. The journey was very comfortable and scenic. You can book the tickets from omeo.com. In the Oslo Central Station, we looked for the information desk from where you can buy your transport pass. We took 48 hours transport pass from there, as this is the first thing which we do after reaching any new place. After which we took the metro from the central station itself to reach our Airbnb stay. And this is our luxurious stay. The property was very beautiful and right in the city, very close to the metro station. If you are interested to know the details of this Airbnb property, do let me know in the comment section. I will be happy to help you out. After settling down, we were all set to explore this beautiful place. For lunch, we had the yummy Domino's pizza in the neighborhood. Post lunch, we walked to the nearest metro station, Lauren. There are 3 important metro stops for the major tourist destinations, which are National Theatre, John Bennett Torget and Stortinget. So keep a note of it. The metro guide is very useful and easy to follow. All the 3 stops which I have mentioned here are for the city center. We took the metro to John Bennett Torget and walked for 10 minutes using the Google Maps to find the correct direction to reach the very famous Opera House. This is the floating sauna next to the Opera House. The architecture around is just beautiful. The Opera House is famous for its architecture. Since its opening, pictures of the angular architecture seemingly arising from the waters of the Oslo fjord have become known around the world and today is considered the keystone signature of the Oslo Opera House. And also there is no entrance fee for the visitors. We started day 2 with full energy as we had a long day planned. The first thing in our agenda was the island hopping ferry ride. If you are interested in spending some quality time on the fjords, the islands outside Oslo city center are just what you need. The Oslo ferries start from the city hall near Aker Brygge Wharf. It offers a quick and inexpensive connection to many islands that are popular for day trips. The islands are some of the best spots to go for a swim, picnic with your friends, or simply soak up some rays. Ideally, it is best for a day's trip where you can actually hop the islands, as each island has a lot to offer. But even if you have limited time, as we had, you should not miss the ride, as the view of the fjord is simply breathtaking. So even when you are in short of time, you can just sit back and enjoy the mesmerizing ferry ride and get lost in the awe of the nature. Our next plan for the day was the hop on and off bus, for which we'll have to walk to the National Theatre, which is one of the stops of the bus. On the way, we came across this beautiful harbour and had to stop by to admire the beauty which it was offering. With the help of Google Maps, we reached our city sightseeing bus stop. You can buy its ticket online from their official site, link is there in the description for your reference, or you can directly pay to the bus driver. For 24 hours ticket, the cost per adult is around $42 and for children the cost is $20. There's another option of 48 hours bus ticket, the cost of which is around $46 for adults and $23 for children. So depending on how many days you are going to stay in Oslo, you can buy the tickets accordingly. I feel the best way to explore a new city is the hop on and off buses, as it takes you to all the tourist places. You have the flexibility to get down at any place that excites you, and once you are done exploring that particular place, you can again take the bus which keeps running in a particular route as per the schedule. The bus has free Wi-Fi on board. Audio guide is available in 8 languages to discover Oslo's history, culture and nature. There are 11 conveniently located bus stops. The bus ride was really nice. It gave us an amazing blend of city life and the countryside view. You can admire the beautiful nature which Oslo offers as well as enjoy the city life in one go. So if you are visiting Oslo, the capital of Norway, for a very limited time, I would recommend you for the city sightseeing tour. It's totally worth it. Next, we went to the Royal Palace, which is located at the end of Karl Johannes Gate in central Oslo and is surrounded by the Palace Park with the palace square in front. It was built in the first half of the 19th century as the Norwegian residence of the French-born King Charles III John, who reigned as King of Norway and Sweden. We ended this super awesome day with a cozy stay-in dinner date, relaxing and planning for our next adventure. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss out to see my upcoming adventure. Thank you for watching.